This is AMC on the monthly chart, and price in recent months have hit all-time lows. However, you are getting a bounce roughly from the $8 level, but it's running right into resistance on several fronts. You have this double bottom that was formed in 2020, 2021. So let's just put a line at the $12 level. And if we scroll down to the weekly chart, when price made all-time lows, it formed a weekly sellers level at $13. Again, but you're getting a nice bounce. Again, this could be just a pullback before the next impulse down, as I do have a roughly $5, $5.50 price target. So before we look at the zone on the daily chart, let's look at this article, because I don't think Taylor Swift can save AMC. So AMC stock is trending on social media today ahead of its earnings, which the firm is slated to unveil on November 8th. That's tomorrow. AMC stock is advancing 5% in early trading, even though investment bank Wedbush cut its price target on the shares to $11. Wedbush maintained a hold rating on the shares, citing valuation and what it sees as an equal risk ratio, reward ratio. On the positive side, the bank expects AMC's 22% market share to increase and believes that it can benefit from improvements to its theaters in Europe. The bank did not cite a reason for its price target cut. However, a court's recent decision that enabled AMC to convert its preferred shares in common stock was widely seen as a negatively impacting the value of the firm's common stock. Analysts' mean estimates calls for the movie theater's own third quarter sales to jump 27% versus the same period a year ago to $1.2 billion. That would represent its highest quarterly revenue figure since 2019. However, analysts on average expect AMC to generate a per share loss of 27 cents. Nevertheless, after AMC shares tumbled 76% in the last 3 months, even in line Q3 results could cause the name to continue its recent rally. Specifically, the shares have advanced 9% in the last month and almost 40% between September 8th, when it bottomed, and November 1, partly due to the success of Swift's movies. All right, so again, the setup is the following. If price can continue to rally to this weekly sellers level at $13, the chart suggests a short. Now looking at that zone on the daily chart, you can say the meat of the zone where the unfilled sell orders are is between $13 and $14. Why? We had a gap down. You had a gap and go. Oh, and look at this volume. It's crazy in volume. So again, the chart suggests let price continue to move higher. And we should see tomorrow what's going to happen, right? It'd be nice if price was in the zone during announcements, or tomorrow when it announces its good earnings, you get a extended range green candle, and that'll be the prime opportunity to short the stock. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.